Results, they say, comes to those who take action. Successful people are people who have taken action. In fact, those who are yet to be successful are also have taken some sort of action way before now. Now, the question is, what kind of action do one take to acquire the kind of result one wants in life? Like I'm here right now, I'm trying to stay fit, not necessarily losing weight, but I'm trying to stay fit. And I'm here taking some level of action towards the journey. Of course, if I take this particular action, after this exercise, I shouldn't go and start eating stuff that will add up the weight the more, right? So, what kind of action are you taking today for yourself? As a real estate investor, what would you say is the action you're taking so far towards investing in real estate? Are you able to know when it is the right time for you to take the right action? How do you also know that this action you're about to take is the right set of action? All of this I will be discussing briefly in this video. So hey, watch it to the very end. Let's go people. Guys, hello. Yes, it's either good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are watching it from. Yes, my name remains Goodness Man. Of course, you know that I'm your fab lady realtor for Nigeria 24. Are you enjoying my semi-workout with me today? Alright, so I just want to talk to you about taking action at the right time. Because the truth is, if we want to be successful in life, we all need to take action at the appropriate time. Now, we need to take actions that will generate results to us. So you, as a real estate investor, I've been here talking to you about several types of investment that are on promo. Some, the prices will be increasing shortly. So, first that I will talk to you about is Vopnucity Excel Garden, which is located in Epe. Now, this is a freehold land that is naturally dry and strategically located around the St. Augustine University, which is called Igbonla. What would you say is the reason why you're yet to invest in this property? You that you have been looking for affordable lands to invest in it. Yes, I mean you that you're looking for, you've been earnestly waiting to see something from me that is pretty much affordable and that is on introductory price, also that has a promo, and yet you have refused to take the action of investing in it, reserving your plot. Why really? Don't you want to get high return on this investment? Don't you want to be a partaker of the buy 6, get 1 free, or buy 3 plots and get 300 square meter free? You remember I started this video saying how it is important that we take actions to generate the desired result. Now, successful people take some action. Unsuccessful people also take same action. Nothing, right? They do nothing. It's the same action as well. It's an action as well. So I want to encourage you today in this video to take action into investing into this particular estate, because I don't want you to buy more. I don't want you to pay more on a later date. Between now and the 1st of April, this property will increase in price. The promo will be off and the price will now increase. I don't know if it's going to be increasing to 1.5 million naira or more. So you have the opportunity right now to buy at 1.2 million naira. Then you buy 6 and get one free. That is really amazing. If you ask me, you can buy 12 plots and get 2 plots free. So for those who want to buy 3 plots, you can buy 3 plots and get 300 square meter free, which is equally amazing. But if you cannot afford to buy 3 plot or 6 plot or 12 plot, whichever way, you are also encouraged to buy your 1 plot or your 2 plots on this promo price. The promo is not only for the buy 5 and buy 6 get 1 free, or buy 3 get half plot free. It is also on the price. The price is 1.2 million naira, introductory price into the market. So yes, you can partake in the price, and they have a payment plan for 12 months. 1.2 million naira for 3 months and 1.440 for 12 months. So yeah, if you wait till 1st of May, you will not get it at 1.2 million naira. You probably be buying it at 1.5 million naira. So hey, how about you seize the opportunity now and get it at this price and key into this promo? So yes, this is a call to action. That is why you see me. Can you guys see me? I am in a place where I'm taking serious action towards my health, and I really wanted to use this background, this my gene, to explain, to further drive home my point. So hey, I hope I've not wasted my time doing this, because I will need you to call me now, and then let me help you start reserving your plots in this particular estate. Remember, it's Vopnucity Excel Garden in Igbonla in Epe, Lagos, Nigeria. Remember also that Epe is the new thing. I mean, it's the only place right now you can buy affordable lands, cheap lands that are not problematic. And this is the best time to key into it. I also have told you guys that the owner of this property, they are going to work on the title of the land. So it gives you all forms of security when it comes to your investment. So let me just quickly chip in also. There are other properties that are also, the prices will be increasing on the 31st of April, which is also landmark properties. So you will have to also key into it now that you still have the time to do so. Thank you so much for watching this video. Yes, my name remains Goodness Man. Of course, I am your Fab Lady Realtor for Nigeria 24/7. Do not wait until May 1st before you start investing in this particular estate. Like I said, I am waiting for you to take this massive action, just like I am here, trying to, I'll see you guys when you give me a call or in my next video. But don't remember this one. I'll see you guys when you give me a call or in my next video. So right now I say to you, oh double.